Today in this video I will show you how to install VMware Workstation Pro in your computer or laptops, and I also give you the product ID or application link in my description. So first you have to download the file by link which given in the description. Double tap it. It's now prepared to install. Click next. Accept the license agreement. Next and finish. When installation is done, there we put some product key. That key I will give you in my description. It will take some time for installation. Click the finish button. Open that particular product key in Notepad. Select and copy it. Go to the VMware Workstation Pro. And then find the help section and find enter a license key. Fine. Here paste the product key and it's done. Thank you. Like and subscribe my videos.